Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. I am so happy to be back here with you all today. I've missed you all so very much. First, I'd like to say I hope you're all having a great day. Um, I'm just gearing up to get back on YouTube and get things accomplished. I have been missing for about 3 weeks. My sister passed away on January the 17th. She turned 54 on January the 15th and then passed away on the 17th. So it was very unexpected, and it's just been hard to deal with. And what happened to her was she was at home by herself and she felt like she couldn't breathe very well. And so she called my oldest niece and told her she was having trouble breathing. And I guess, I don't know, Jennifer asked her questions and things. And then she told her to call an ambulance to come get her and take her to the hospital. And so my sister called the ambulance, but she passed away in the ambulance en route to the hospital. So someone at the hospital said that possibly it was a blood clot. I mean, they didn't know for sure. They just kind of guessed that from what happened. And then I guess on the actual death certificate or final papers, it did say COPD. And then somebody else said they always put that if the person has COPD. So not really sure, but she passed away. And it's been difficult. You know, it's been hard to cope and just deal with that. My two nieces were having a really difficult, hard time. And it's just heartbreaking to watch them, you know, and trying to be there for them and just offer them support and let them know, you know, that I love them and their mom loved them. And my sister, she was all about her grandkids. She lived for her 3 grandkids. And so she was like the best grandmother I've ever saw. I mean, you just can't even imagine how much of a wonderful grandmother she was. And I told her that all the time, that she was a wonderful grandmother. So she's, you know, very much missed. And it's just been hard and difficult. And so I just took some time off from YouTube to kind of just deal with that. And I didn't want to get on here and just cry. So I just taken some time, you know, until I got to the point where I could actually like talk about it and not cry. So thank you all for understanding. I've missed you all terribly, and I can't wait to jump back in and get on videos. And I have loom knitting videos that I want to do, and some show you some crochet projects I've been working on. And one crochet project that I have been working on, the night that my sister did pass away, I was that afternoon or late that night, I was looking on YouTube and I saw Repeat Crafter Me had put up a new video, and it looked very cute, and so I wanted to try that. And so I got my stuff out and started working on it. Like, I just got started on it, and then I got news that my sister passed away. And so that night I started on this, and I've just kind of been working on this blanket. Once you get the center part done, I'll show you the project in just a second. The rest of the blanket is just double crochets. And to me, you know, I'm a loom knitter, but I am learning crochet and enjoying the process. But to me, double crochet, the rhythm of double crochets is so relaxing. Like, I could just double crochet all day long. And that's just so relaxing and just kind of, I don't know what it is about the double crochets, but I really love that. If a project says it's all double crochets, I'm all about it. But anyway, I'll show you the project that I've been working on. I just love this, and I'm calling it my sister blanket. In the center, there's a heart, and then you have to do some stitches around it to get it into a square shape. And so that part on the Repeat Crafter Me video, I did slow the speed of the video down so that I could follow her and understand what she was doing and not get lost in my place. And so that helped very, very much slowing the video down. And so once you get the little section around the heart and get that heart in a square shape, the whole project is just double crochets all the way around. And so here is what I have so far from the heart and shape out. I haven't weaved in my ends in the back yet. I don't know why. Normally when I'm working on a project, I weave them in as I go. For some reason, I haven't on this. But I've enjoyed working on this project. It is just very stress-free. I mean, once you get that center part done, there's no stress in making this. It is just very relaxing. And so that's what I just do. I've just been keeping this with me and just working on rounds. I have, I'm alternating pinks and purples. And I have about 2 more pinks. I have another, I'm going to do a gray next, and then a pink, and then another gray, and then I have a dark purple, and then I have a really light pink. So then I think I'll be finished with it. And I'll probably end up putting this in the fair come the fall. But yeah, I haven't weaved in my ends yet. So there. This part right here will tighten up some. You can see, yeah, all that'll tighten up once I get my ends weaved in. But I've called this my sister blanket because as I've been working on this, I've cried my eyes out. I've laughed my head off just thinking about, you know, my sister and the silly things that we've done. We've done some silly things. And, you know, just thinking about, you know, how much I'm going to miss her and things like that. So this blanket is just has my memories worked up into it. And so it will be special to me. And but it's a fun project, and I'll leave the link to that. I don't know if I said that already. I will leave the link below to the Repeat Crafter Me. But yeah, so that's where I've been, just you know, thinking about my sister, talking with my nieces and being there for them, and work on this project. And I've worked on some other projects too that I'll be showing you pretty soon. And I have projects just piled up everywhere around my desk. I have some LoomKnit videos coming out in the next couple of days, and some projects showing some crochet projects that I've been working on. And so I hope you will come back and join me and see what videos, see what I've been up to, and see what I've got planned for the YouTube channel. So anyway, I hope you all have a great day, and there will be a mystery blanket loom along, crochet along, knit along video coming out later tonight also, or either early in the morning, but I am working on that. So I just want to thank you all for understanding and coming back and watching my videos and supporting me. Thank you to any new subscribers, and thank you to the returning subscribers. I appreciate you all so very much, and we'll be back to fun in the next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all again very soon.